Hey everybody, welcome back to the 509. In this video we're going to show you how we use our template to mark for an outside strip miter on some gutter, and then we'll show you how we cut it out. So stay tuned. This is a template that we made in a previous video, and I'll go ahead and put a link in the top right corner and also at the end of the video for you to go check out. But really simple to use. All you do is insert it and then line it up on the end, go ahead and mark it with your pencil, and you're ready to start cutting. Thanks for stopping by to watch this quick video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And also you can hit the bell notifications so you get notified whenever we submit a new video. Also stop by the channel real quick and check out some of the other videos we have posted there. We'll see you next time back here at the 509. Y'all take care.